Hi everyone, today we are talking about the Aleo project. I will talk about the changes in the last month. Let's still start with what Aleo is. Aleo is the world's first full-stack development platform for building applications based on zero-knowledge cryptography. The base layer of it is Aleo blockchain, which is private by default. The Aleo project is very well described by this picture. Applications built on Aleo protect your anonymity. This is very important in our world. The native unit of account of the network is Aleo credits. Those are used to pay transactions fees like in Bitcoin, however transactions fees are calculatable beforehand. So there is no such a concept of gas, and instead you have a fixed number of Aleo credits that you pay for each particular action performed in the zero-knowledge computing. Additionally, all your credits are anticipated to be the preferred currency for programmers who are going to run the layer 2s on top of the network. So, overall, Aleo credits are used to put a price on computing as your knowledge proof of an arbitrary program, and the more expensive and the more complex the program, and therefore the higher in the price in Aleo credits. This also means that there is no limit to the running time of the program and therefore its complexity. Aleo credits after the token generation event are going to be distributed among miners, early backers and early community members. A part of it is also going to be set aside for network development in the future, and also community engagement and grants to facilitate the development of zero-knowledge cryptography. Miners are going to receive their credits by the block reward, and here is a table in which you can see that the early miners are in fact favored. This is done to make it more appealing to become an early adopter of Aleo, and therefore make all your overall secure from the very start, since there are going to be more miners interested in it. The major amount of Aleo credits is going to be mined in the first 3 years of the project, and you can see the distribution changes quite a bit. After about 3 years, Aleo has a sale emission rate to keep inflation healthy and therefore promote no holding to Aleo credits, but using them for actually zero-knowledge computing. If you want to participate, there are two ways. You can do that either through an ambassador program or for testnet and development. Let's talk about the ambassador program. The first step is to join Aleo Discord. There are more than 28 key participants who are all very active. On 20 April, the first enrollment for the project's ambassador took place. 51 participants receiving the coveted role. Those who were not among the lucky ones will have 2 more changes, the closest one being at the end of May. To increase your chances, you can create content, translate documentation, create guides, and enter competitions. 2 competitions have recently come to an end. Let's talk about them. Participants created memes about the project. These memes scored the most points. Oops, I forgot you cannot do that. These pictures came in 2nd and 3rd place. The t-shirt competition has also recently come to an end. Write in the comments which t-shirt you like best. You can now take part in a sport competition. The developers say the following: we will choose 10 athletes for the top 10 videos. There will be personal gifts and rules in Discord from the Aleo team. Each participant will be able to take part and show their fighting spirit. To participate, you need to shoot a sports video related to any sport. The video must mention the logo of the Aleo team. It can be placed on clothes or be present in the frame, but not just be embedded in the video. Then you have to upload the video to YouTube and share it on social networks such as Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Use these hashtags. I want to clarify an important point. For each post of these social networks, you will receive additional points that will bring you closer to victory. The contest will end on 20 May. After the end of the competition, a vote will be held and the Aleo team will act as a jury. Aleo is also contributing 5 million to the grants program. The purpose of the program is to fund the development of applications for Aleo. This is the time to talk about the Aleo language. Using this programming language, you can easily create applications using zero-knowledge cryptography. How the application works on Aleo? It takes your code, constructs the proof circuit that represents the computation you want to run, populates the input wires with the value you want, runs the circuit, generates proving verifying keys, and then combines all the relevant data into a zero-knowledge proof. For example, you could run it on the input data in the image below. The summary is that Leo outputs a proof that you ran your computation currently, meaning if you were to run the above circuit on some array and presented the output array alongside the proof, any observers would be able to confirm that the array was actually sorted by checking the proof rather than array. That's all the news from last month. Participate in the Aleo Ambassador program. Thank you for watching.